How to fix TikTok effects not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok effects not working on Android phone. First, open settings and go to battery, and here you will find performance mode. You will find it like that. If you found performance mode here, just enable it and disable this one, power saving mode. And now just go to apps and apps again, and then go to TikTok and go to permissions, enable all of those here, storage, microphone and camera, and then go to data, storage, and click clear cache and go back, try again. Your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.